Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2002 SL500 Silver Arrow. If you're not familiar with the Silver Arrow, it was special to the 2002 model year. They only made about 1,400 of these, so it's extremely rare Mercedes convertible. Has a special Silver Arrow metallic paint. Silver Arrow wheels. These weren't used on any other Mercedes. These wheels are in exceptional condition. Tires are very close to full tread. There it says Silver Arrow. This has a special silver trim all the way around. They did not use it on the standard SL. The seats are unique to this model. The Silver Arrow has a dark maple wood, brushed shifter, and two-tone leather Silver Arrow shift knob. Matching wheel. Interior is original. Even has the original floor mats. They are specific to the Silver Arrow. Even the trim on the trunk is different. Again, the wheels are exceptional. Very hard to find this model with the original wheels on it that are in good shape. Has power seats. They are heated. Power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. There's a look at the gauges. We'll start it up. Here's the mileage. Even has a model specific ashtray cover. Some touch-up paint that comes with the vehicle. The body on this vehicle is virtually flawless. It's original paint. Even has model-specific fins on the grille. Normally they are very, very dark in color. Has Xenon headlights. This vehicle is collector quality. You could take it to a car show as it sits right now. We know this vehicle well. We sold it about 10 years ago. And it came from Pennsylvania 10 years ago. Has not been used a lot recently, and so that's why the mileage is so low. It's been stored. So it's been a northern vehicle, and the advantage to that is hasn't been out in the hot sun. So the rubber on the vehicle is in good shape. The interior and the paint is in good shape. So obviously it was never driven in bad weather. Exceptional, super rare Silver Arrow Mercedes. Give us a call and I can tell you more about this vehicle. Thank you.